everyone. In this, we will see some uh, problems related to set theory. Let universal set equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, C equal to 1, 3, 6. We are supposed to compute all this. First one, A union B union C. So what is A union B union C? Elements which belong to either A or B or C or belonging to two or more, right? So let me write 1, 2, 3, 7 union 4, 5, 6, 7 union and then C 1, 3, 6. If we do that, 1 I can write, 2 I can write, 3 I can write, 4 I can write, 5, 6, 7. So if we look into the result, it is actually the universal set. Whatever is there in universal set, everything came. Now here, A intersection B union C. First let us write A, 1, 2, 3, 7. And then intersection B union C means elements which belong to B or C or both. So I can write 1 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5 and then 6 and then 7. Now the common elements in these two sets means A and B union C. What are the common elements? It is 1, 3 and then 7. So that is the result. Next one, A union B, the whole complement. This is actually A union B, the complement. So first let us find out what is A union B. Elements which belong to A or B or both. So I can consider this. This is A, this is B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means everything comes. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now complement means elements which do not belong to this A union B, but it should belong to the universal set. We may compare this set with the universal set and identify any elements which belong to universal set but do not belong to A union B, which is actually null set. Because every element which are there in A union B, it is already there in universal set. So A union B, the complement is null set. Now let us do this. This is nothing but A intersection B, the complement. So let us see what is A intersection B. The common elements which are there in A and B. 1 not common, 2 not common, 3 not common, 7 is common. So I can say 7 means it has got only one element. So we can consider this, we can call this A intersection B as a singleton set also, which means now A intersection B, the complement is nothing but elements which do not belong to A intersection B, but it should belong to the universal set. Universal set has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have got 7. That means A intersection B, the complement should be. Without 7, the rest of the elements. Now, what is A minus B? Elements which belong to A but do not belong to B. Let us see what are the elements which belong to A but do not belong to B. 1, it belongs to A, do not belong to B. So I can write 1. And then 2, it belongs to A but do not belong to B. I can write 2. Then 3, it belongs to A but do not belong to B. So I can write 3 also. Then next one, 7, it belongs to A but it also belongs to B. I should not consider. So only 1, 2, 3. So now What does B minus A means? B minus A means elements which belong to B but do not belong to A. 4, it belongs to B, do not belong to A, I can write 4. 5, it belongs to B, do not belong to A, I can write 5. 6, it belongs to B, do not belong to A, I can write 6. But 7, it belongs to B also and also A, so I should not write 7. That means B minus A will be 4, 5 and 6. Now, the next one, asymmetric difference B. What does it mean? It is A minus C union C minus A. Now, first of all, what is A minus C? Elements which belong to A but do not belong to C. It belong to A. One belongs to A and it also belongs to C. I should not consider. 2, it belongs to A, do not belong to C. I can consider 2. Then 3, it belongs to A and it also belongs to C. I should not consider. 7, it belongs to A. It do not belong to C. I can consider. So 7 can be considered. Then C minus A. Elements which belongs to C but do not belong to A. That means 1 should not be considered. 3 should not be considered. Only 6 can be considered. So we have got now A minus C and C minus A. That means this is union of these two, which means it is 2, 6, and 7. So these are some of the simple problems related to set theory, identifying the elements for a particular set, right? In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.